Okay everybody, today what I'm going to be showing you is how to slay some hair to get it bone straight. But what makes this video so special is because she has 36-inch bundles. I have never done hair this long before, and most importantly, I want y'all to get into this lace. Like, where is lace? Where is lace? I'm really trying to figure it out. I've done a seamless closure install before, but if you guys want me to do an updated one, just let me know. And whatever other video ideas you have, comment down below and I'll be sure to deliver them. Once you have sewn your closure down, you can go ahead and cut the excess cap off. And now we're going to start in with sewing these bundles. She has a total of 4 bundles in this closure, so that's a whole lot of hair. But what I want to let you guys know is the longer the hair, honestly, it's like the less you get. So 4 bundles is actually really good. Honestly, I probably would have did 5 myself, but anywho, once you go ahead and sew those bundles in, what I'm doing now is just taking the pieces of hair from the very back of the lace closure and covering the tracks because you don't want them showing. That's not cute, sis. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't be a stranger because we have a long way to go together. What I'm using now to create these baby hair is my Fluff Stuff styling foam, and if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and cop some. And yeah, you do that because it's very bomb. It's very bomb. It smells very good. It's very bomb. Did I not forget? It's very bomb. Period. I have a full baby hair tutorial showing you how to do different styles and different kinds, dramatic, soft, natural baby hair. I have a video showing that. And I also want to give you a little tip and some encouragement that baby hair is not something that's going to happen within 5 seconds. This is a process. This is something you have to play around with. And a lot of people say that their lace lifts up. And very soon, I'm going to do a full, very detailed video showing how to prevent your lace from lifting. A detailed video about how to prevent your lace from lifting. But once you have set your client under the dryer and you let their baby hair mold, you can go ahead and soak it up and just enjoy the moment. Nah, you got to get down to the nitty-gritty. And I have found a product that I love more than BioSilk. If you've been here with me from day one, you know how much I love BioSilk and how much I use it and how much I live by it. But I have found something that is very awesome. It gets the job done. It smells very good. And honestly, I'm not finna sit here and keep bragging about it. I just think it's a very good investment. And trust me, if you love BioSilk, you're gonna love this even more. What you see me spraying on the hair is some silkening mist, and this is thebomb.com, and this is what you need. This is the key to success if you want to get bone straight, flawless hair. Just get into it. I'm not about to sit here and keep talking. I'm not even going to try to keep even persuading you. I'm going to let you see the results for yourself. And the link to purchase these 2 items will be in the description box. And guess what? They're owned by the same person, so you don't have to go to 2 different places to get these items. The flat iron that I'm using is one of my favorites. It is a Conair Nano Titanium flat iron, and it's only $44. It's just amazing. It's just amazing. And the hot comb is your BFF. If you are working without a hot comb, you're really missing out. And the hot comb that you plug up, it really sucks. I haven't found one that I liked yet, but the hot comb that you put on the stove or inside of a Marcel iron, it has not failed me. But you have to be very careful if you don't use it right, because you can burn yourself, you can burn the client, you can burn the client's hair. Just a lot of things could go wrong, honestly, but it just gets the job done, as you can see. And right now I'm going to show you how to clean your style up, how to make your style look even more neater. So just pay attention. The product that I'm using right now that I just sprayed, that was in that brown bottle, that's some Fantasia styling spritz, and it smells so good. This is an old school product and it has not failed me. And I just want you guys to really get into it and pay attention to what I'm doing, because it's going to make a complete difference with your style. Just look how neat that is. Just look how amazing that's coming out. Well, here we are to the finish line, and this hair is silky smooth. It is bone straight down to the guards, honey. And I hope you guys go and purchase that product, because this Silken and Mist is thebomb.com, and this is truly the secret to success for getting bone straight hair. And I'm just going to let her stand up in a few minutes so you can see how long this hair is on her. But it's honestly very cute. It fits her, it fits her face, and it fits her personality. I really enjoyed doing this style. I really enjoyed doing this video, and this is just something that I had to show you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. And since y'all been so loyal to me and so nice to me, I have a special gift for you in the description box. Make sure you go and check it out.